Hi, this Scratch video will look at the difference between when you create a variable for all sprites and for this sprite only. What is the difference between those two options? When you create a variable in Scratch, you click onto that make a variable. It allows you to type in a name that you want to create for your variable, and it gives you these two options: for all sprites or for this sprite only. Now, when you click onto for all sprites, this option will create a variable that all sprites can use. If I click onto this option for this sprite only, what this does is it creates a variable that only the cat sprite can use. And you can see up here the variable that we have created, it actually identifies the name of the sprite cat as, if I click onto my icon there, I've actually given this sprite a name called cat. And because I have created for this sprite only, when I was creating a variable, it tells me on the screen here that this variable will only apply to this cat sprite. And only this cat sprite can use this variable. I hope this video has helped you to explain the difference between for all sprites and for this sprite only.